Alright, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is a video of me installing some 24x48 porcelain tile pieces or panels. Some people call 24x48s panels. I still just call it just large format tile. But the real big stuff is, 4x4 and over we'd probably call panels, or super large format porcelain panels. Some of it's called thin gauge porcelain panels, so it varies in thicknesses, it varies in sizes. This is 24 inch by 48 inch, but this stuff goes up to 5 feet by 10 feet, and I think maybe my information is a little outdated because I believe that the stuff is actually getting bigger than that now. I want to say at coverings this year I saw some stuff that was 10 and 12 feet, which is incredible. Anyways, this shower had 24x48s on the floor. There's heat underneath of that tile. You can see those diagonal cuts in front of the bench. Those are relief cuts for the shower floor. So that's called an envelope pan. And if you look at one of my previous videos, you'll see some of the steps of me putting that in there. You guys know this. I don't preach it, but I try and show it in my videos a lot. Back buttering, filling those lugs. Those lugs are probably a 1/16 of an inch or close to that thick, maybe a 32nd of an inch. But basically the low points there you're now making on an even plane with the high points. So you're effectively using more thin set than if you didn't back burn it. If you didn't back burn it and just put your rows on the wall, those rows bottom out deeper into the tile than they would if you skimmed it. So more mud makes it easier to get better coverage is the point, especially when the tile has a deeper lug. Alright, you see the same thing happen on Dietrich heat, setting your tile over Dietrich heat. It's pretty darn easy to get good coverage because you're smushing your notches into a skimmed bed of wet thin set, so it just smushes in nice and easy. It's real easy to get the collapse, the coverage, all that stuff. Alright, so that's what's going on there as well when you're back buttering. This is me just cleaning a tile. So honestly, there's not much going on in this video. Just wanted to talk a little bit and share the clips. With the 24x48s, I do a lot of cutting with the grinder. My DeWalt saw can handle some rips. Most of those I'll do on the DeWalt saw, but this stuff, you just gotta manhandle this stuff and use your grinder. It is fragile, so that comes into the equation as well. Despite what people think, it's not faster. Yeah, it's bigger tile, but that doesn't mean it's faster. It's actually a lot slower. There's way more variables at play. Maybe I'll make a video sometime explaining more of the technicalities as to why it's so much slower, but make no mistake, it is. I love how the showers look, and that back wall is gorgeous. And you guys also know that I gotta finish off my clip or my video with a golf clip. So this is me just flushing a probably 9-iron. Beautiful. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment if you want to, and maybe I'll reply back, but maybe not. Alright, see ya.